We will start in 1 minute.
Shit na sisi.
Gatekeepers, be ready. Empress is coming.
Already, papasok na si Empress in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Cognizance was my first time talaga, ever, sa big crowd. Sabi ko nga, mas madali i-train yung people outside Empire. Ang question ko noon, nung sinabihan ako na ako magko-Cognizance, paano mo iti-train ang taong na-train na? Every time na napapanood ko yung event ng Cognizance last time, parang, paano ko to man? Like, na same siya. Paano ko mapapantayan yung standards of the first Cognizance? And I just felt that I'm really so ready about this. Feeling ko I was prepared a decade ago or 3 decades ago for Cognizance.
Actually, the first time na sinabi, sinong crew chief nito? Wala sa amin na Dream Squad na may idea. Sino nga? Di, nung tumingin lahat sa akin, parang, ako, parang ganyan.
I will roam around and will ask, how was it? How's the feeling? Shout the feeling? Ganyan, sigaw sila. Sana, pagkita. And I will ask one big question this morning. Sino dito yung may pinakamalaking reason na feeling niya bakit siya nag-attend ng Cognizance? Raise your hand. Sige, up high. Raise your hands. Pinakamalaking reason. Stand up. Stand up. Ito yung may pinakamalaking reason bakit siya nag-Cognizance. Is it because you wanna let go of something? Is it because may gusto kang maintindihan? Is it because you don't know? You. Thank you. Why? He made it. Thank you. Why? Why are you here?
By the way, hello, Elise Empire, Empress, Coach Grace Castellano, and the reason I'm here, aside from, I want to really see again in person, face to face, physically, in soul, in body, in everything, Empress. Sa TikTok pa lang, I want to share this na siya na talaga yung tinitingnan ko and I want to be with her. I want to be like her. Yung calling niya ako, yung gift niya, nakita ko ako sa kanya, pero sabi ko, ang layo-layo. Pero without this cognizance, and because of this cognizance din, alam ko, naniniwala ako, I'm certain that I can be. Because, Empress, hindi man kami nag-uusap palagi, hindi man kami magkasama palagi. May mga indirect corrections, lahat ng laman ng contents, lahat sa social medias, lahat. Even hindi ko siya kasama, napifeel ko siya. And I really want to embody what you are teaching, Empress, who you are. And aside from my personal reasons, aside from my family, those souls na gusto ko ding ma-save because I was once lost and now I'm saved. And my leaders, every one of you, kung ano yung mission and vision, kung ano yung purpose na Empress, yun din yung gusto ko. And I'm so blessed dahil nandito ako sa cognizance na pinag-pray ko lang. And because of you, Empress, thank you so much, I'm here. Because of Coach Eliza, I'm here. Because of those mentors, because of my leader na ginamit din ng Lord na instrument para mapunta ako dito. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Empress. I love you. I love you.
Thank you. Treat life as an amazing adventure. Boring yung adventure pag puro diretso lang. Tama? Yun lang. For example, may treasure na malaking-malaki sa dulo, nandoon. Tapos andito ka. And then sabi, para makuha mo yung treasure na to, isang straight line. May excite ka, hindi? Parang, pwede. Pero di ba mas masarap pag mayroong matututo ka muna? And lahat ng na-experience mo ngayon, binigay yan para sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan. And yun, morning, nag-connect lang ako sa sun. I prayed, with that, and I pray to our higher creator to bless me because I know that He will, the creator will talaga kasi there's a lot of hungry souls out there. happy na ganun yung energy nila. Grabe, parang, as in, kahit nakasarado lahat ng pintuan, you will hear them scream and shout. Parang grabe yung kanilang energy. From start to finish, ganun yung energy nila. And, basta I just want to get it started. Parang ganun. Tara, start na tayo. Kaya nandun ako sa door. Parang, after the intro video, tapos na yung intro video. And so, sabi ko sa nag-assist sa akin, pasok na tayo. Wala pa ba? Tara, pasok na. Tapos, wala pa, Miss Pearl. Sabihin mo, ready na ako kasi baka iniisip nila hindi pa ako ready. It's just that, I know kasi how it will turn out. Like, it will turn out so amazing for everyone. So, I want it to be na nasa endpoint na. So, even na nagsastart na ako, parang, tara, let's do this. Let's do our best because I know how this will end and how this will have an impact to the people. Grabe, no? We are full of love. At pag pinagsama-sama mo yung lahat, it's multiplied. And we are 500 here. So that one love will be multiplied by 500.
Cognizance gave me my mission. I've never been more certain kung ano talagang gusto ko sa buhay ko until I was in that moment. There was this one particular moment, specifically at that time. Sa crew, hindi kami sinabihan kung anong gagawin namin. Naramdaman lang namin sa Empress, and yung love na yun na nag-radiate sa amin, we were able to radiate it as well, and that one Triton call.
Hindi ako makapaniwala sa self ko, nakakayat ako dito. Actually, nag-host ako sa mga events before kasi yun yung racket ko. And online seller ako din. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I'm Lauren, Coach Lauren, isang online seller before I met Empress. And this time, I want to share kung ano yung mga na-learn ko this year. And pagpasok talaga ng taon na to, nag-declare talaga ako ng goals ko. Nag-goosebumps ako kasi yung mga sinasabi ni Empress, I'm not aware na yung pala yung secret, as in inner self mo. Yan talaga yung sabi ko, sobrang blessed ko, pinuno ko ng gratitude at magagandang thoughts yung mind ko. Before, lagi ako nakatingin dun lang sa situation ko at the moment. Na kapag tiningnan ko, talagang lulubog ka eh. Pero nung nabasa ko yung book ni Empress, na-feel ko na nag-breakthrough ako. Kasi doon, hindi ko siya ginawang pocketbook. Binavalue ko every words. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, for things to change, I have to change. Sarili ko muna. If I really love myself, dapat lahat na nakikita ko maganda. Kanina nakaupo ako, sinusulat ko lahat ng sinasabi ni Empress, naging empty cup ako. Kahit sabi ko na ito, napapractice ko siya, pero naging empty cup ako. Sabi ko, susulat ko pa rin siya. Kasi ito yung nafe-feel ko, ito yung nagagawa ko, and I'm so proud to myself. Unang sinabi ni Empress, ilagay mo kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa sarili mo dyan. Ang nilagay ko talaga, thank you, self. Ngayon ko na-appreciate yung self ko. Sabi ko, grabe, nandito ako sa Elite Empire because I am an extraordinary. Naalala ko, sinabihan ako ni Empress bago lang ako. Nag-share ako sa SKL. That time, di ko pa master self ko. Di pa ako aware, di pa ganun kataas yung tiwala ko, kumpiyansa ko sa sarili ko. Pero siya nagsabi sa akin, pang top earner ka, Lauren. And that's the time, kailangan paniwalaan mo kung anong sinasabi ng mentor mo. Kailangan paniwalaan mo kasi kung siya naniniwala sa'yo, dapat paniwalaan mo sarili mo. And I'm so proud kasi lahat ng journey ko, in-accept ko, lahat pala ng bagay. Huwag mo tingnan sitwasyon mo ngayon kasi hindi ikaw yan. Ang ikaw, kung ano yung nakikita mo in the future, yan na ikaw. Kaya be excited I know we are excited. I'm so excited kasi malaki ang pangarap ko. And I trust the process because I have faith. Thank you, Empress. Deserve natin na maganda buhay! Ah!
Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala sa mga nalaman ko sa training today, no? Grabe yung feeling na nag-uumapaw yung heart ko na gusto ko magpasalamat kay Empress because of this cognizance training. Talagang malaki yung na-unlock nito sa buhay ko.
Again, this will be a journey. This will be an adventure. But I tell you, this is a meaningful one. Isahan lang naman din ang sipag. Isahan lang naman din ang labas ng galing. And once you learn, once that you are skilled, it's all in there. It's yours forever. The moment na bibilisan nating maging magaling sa ginagawa natin, the moment that we have all that skill, magiging mabilis din yung success na yan. Napakasarap ng feeling ng success. Embody it every day. Keep it in your heart. And be in that same kind of frequency every day. Sarap sa feeling. Super sarap sa feeling. And my goal is 100% transformation to all 500 beautiful souls here. And I feel that you are 100% right now.
But you know what? After the cognizance, ito yung sinasabi ni Empress na 100% na healed sila. 100% na transform sila. Kaya I'm very happy. So much happy dahil umaapaw yung gratefulness sa heart ko na yes, we made it.
There are so many leaders in this industry, but not all has the capacity to pull out this kind of events. The one rule for success has always been gratitude. For some leaders, mamentoran ka once a week, okay na. For some leaders, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Negosyo mo yan, palaguin mo. For some leaders, they're very hands-on. For some leaders, they're very innovative. Ano pa kaya yung pwedeng gawin para mapalabas ang leadership? For some leaders, ano pa kaya yung pwedeng gawin to inspire people? For some leaders, ano pa yung pwedeng gawin ng mga uplines, ng mga grand mentors so that you'll see a better future for each and every one of you? The good news is that your uplines, ganun mag-isip.
Beyond grateful. I can say I'm beyond grateful na marami ako leaders. May leaders 70. But may isang tao doon na maya tinitignan ko. Nakikita ko siya na tumatalon, nakikita ko siya na nakikipagsabay, nakikisigawan. Like, para siyang bumalik sa pagkabata. After nun, sabi niya nung sunrise, rebirth. I'm rebirth. Rebirth, rebirth, rebirth. Wala siyang ibang sinasabi kundi para siyang nabuhay ulit. I'm grateful for the cognizance. Hindi niya alam paano siya makikigo along, pero cognizant, sabi niya, bigyan mo ko ng 6 hours para mag-decide. Sabi ko, mayroon akong downline, hindi makakatuloy kasi galing sa UAE. Wala naman akong ibang mapagbigyan nito na naisip ko, unang instinct ko, ikaw. Sabi ko, ito, binild up ko lahat, nag-call kami. Siguro mga 1 hour kami nag-call. Na hindi kami lagi nagko-connect kasi I'm busy with what I'm doing. Pero sabi ko, bigyan niya ako ng time para mag-talk kami. Kasi hindi niya alam how he will face the world. Kasi, yun nga, parang...
Sweet disposition, never too soon.
If okay ang anak, magiging okay talaga yan. Take it from me that I was orphaned at the age of 3. Both of my parents namatay. So, magagayad at magagayad talaga. Kapag okay mag-isip, nasa tamang community, nasa tamang environment. Kaya, it's really, sabi nila, edukasyon ang pinakamalaking pamana sa mga anak. Narinig? But what's education for you? Is it just the diploma? Is it just the flying colors? It's just the grades? Hindi, di ba? What's education for you? Tell me. Maayos mag-isip. Utak palaban, pusong palaban. Tama? May strength, may dreams, malaki mag-isip, mataas mangarap, magaling mag-decision making, magaling sumulusyon, action taker. That's the greatest gift and pamana that you can give to your children. And you can get it here at Elites Empire. Palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili ninyo.
Won't stop to surrender.
Empress communicated to me how great is network marketing. Sabi ko, ito yung pipiliin ko na path. For me, this is no longer a business, but this is my sole purpose. That's why I'm beyond grateful, Elites Empire. You really changed my life, my family's life, my relationship, my finances. And I'm gonna do my best na mapasa kung ano yung binibigay niya sa akin. Thank you so much, Elites Empire. I love you so much, Empress.
First and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you, Empress. Kasi sa activity kanina, nakita ko talaga yung sarili ko na I can say na I am fully healed.
When Demi said that I was finally healed, because Demi was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, battling over self-love. So I said to myself na yan yung tumatak sa akin because si Demi, yung sabi niya is, hindi niya daw maramdaman yung na love niya yung sarili niya. And then for me, hindi ako makarelate. Because sabi din ni Demi na he always put other people first before himself. So me personally, I cannot relate because I personally, sabi ko, I always put myself first kasi. So dun sabi ko, oh my God, why am I like this? Sa kanya actually ako merong nasusulat sa notebook. Sa kanya actually ako, ang dami kong realization sa mga sinasabi niya because sa kanya ako nakarelate mismo. And then, when Demi cried, doon na, parang I never expect na para akong matouch ko ba? Matouch gid ko kasi naka-mindset na ako na crew tayo dito. Tingin lang tayo, ganyan. Observe lang tayo. You have a role. Pero sa sharing na yun, sabi ko, oh my God, I can relate to this man.
Isa po akong BPO employee and I became homeless. Kasi hindi po ako nag-guide. Hindi ko po nag-guide nung maayos yung sarili ko. Umabot ako sa point na wala. And right now, masasabi kong I'm fully healed. Because I found the purpose. Bakit yun nangyari? Nilagay ko nga dito. Kumbaga, you are relentless. Kahit sino pa, ano mang bagay na, kumbaga, diba? Bumangga, giba talaga. Diba? Kasi kahit ano pa yan, kung may pangarap ka, kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, aabutin mo talaga. And right now, Empress, thank you so much kasi punong-puno ako ng pangarap, ng pag-asa.
Ano sinulat mo dyan? The answers.
Sinulat ko dito take ownership.
Perfect. Ano ba?
Remove blaming.
Remove blaming. May bine-blame ka pa ba?
Wala na.
Kanina meron?
Meron
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ko nakita yung reason. Hindi ko nakita yung purpose.
Nang?
Bakit yun nangyari sa akin?
Yung?
Naging homeless ako.
Bakit ba yun yung nangyari sa'yo?
Pili ko kasi akala ko kaya ko na. Lumipad ako ng Cebu na ikita ko. Wala akong kakilala. Akala ko kaya ko na siya mag-isa. So hindi ako nakinig. Kasi ayun, umabot sa point na palugog na ako ng palugog. And it's Empire lang nagbigay sa akin ng pag-asa. Ikaw na binap.
So ngayon hindi ka na nagbe-blame. Wala na. Take ownership ka.
Yes,
Nice.
Kasi lahat ng bagay kaya talaga. Pag may disiplina ka, pag tinatrabaho mo siya, alam ko, deserve ko ng magandang buhay. Hindi ako dito kung wala lang. Hindi ako nagtagal dito kung wala lang. Hindi ko to nilaban kung wala lang.
Welcome. Ano pa? Minsan kasalanan din natin bakit nangyayari isang bagay. Pero, okay siya. Thank you sa mga ganyan, di ba?
Yes,
Ano ba?
Communication Yung communication ko sa sarili ko. Iba kasi ako makipag-usap sa sarili ko before. Parang yung words, iba, hindi siya ganun capacity. Right now, parang sabi ko, kakapiking sarili ko this time. Ako, ikat words mo, teachings mo, Empire, kasama ko. Right now, parang, ang dami ko.
Yes.
Ang dami ko.
Positive. Use up. Words.
Inch up. And understanding.
I wanna help you. Paano ka mag-self-talk na maganda? You just smile while talking to yourself. You just smile. Try nga smile. And then touch your heart. Di ba iba yung feeling? Kahit wala ka pang sinasabi. When you smile and you touch your heart, lalo na pag kinausap mo, make sure to self-talk, smiling. That's it. Understanding? Saan?
Understanding ako sa bagay. Sa sarili ko. Naintindihan ko bakit ako ganun. bakit ako ganun and bakit ako naging ganito ngayon. And nung pinaka top dito love, Empress is love. Mas love din sa sarili ko this time.
Congrats. And if love mo yung sarili mo, maganda yung sasabihin mo sa kanya. Tama? That's how you love yourself.
At the end of the world, the storm was on the horizon. Patiently you stared down the sea. I dreamed I heard you singing, the sound of painted noise, shattered hues and a blood-red moon crashing into the blue. Don't let a day go by. Don't let a day go by. I see it in your eyes. Don't let a day go by. There's a wild wind blowing.
One thing to experience that self-love is if you enjoy every moment with yourself. Yung ako naman, no? Ako naman!
Akala ko kasi before, hindi ko kayang maging successful because of my past. And right now, sobrang dami kong na-learn, ang dami kong na-unlock. Paano pa mas patawarin yung sarili ko, paano i-embrace at immerse yung sarili ko para makuha ko yung success na gusto ko. And today, I am so grateful to you, Empress Pearl Home, kasi nangarap ako ng mataas. Nakita ko ulit yung sarili ko na may mataas na pangarap and I can see it clearly na makukuha ko siya here sa Elite Empire. And thank you so much, Cognizance 2023.
So, yun yung sa akin na tumatak talaga na sharing. And then I can really see the transformation before Demi talked and then after Demi, like, pagbaba niya sa stage, nakita ko yung light up sa mukha niya. So, congratulations kay Demi. No, your story really inspired me. Yung sharing mo.
Don't let a day go by. Don't let a day go by. I see it in your eyes. Don't let a day go by. Don't let a day go by. Don't let a day go by. I see it in your eyes. Don't let a day go by.
To all the participants of Cognizance 2023, I really thank you for all the energy that you have and for the openness in your heart, body, mind, and soul. You're very, very open at that time, and I feel your gratitude even hindi pa ako lumalabas, hindi nyo pa ako nakikita. The moment that you're here, I feel all the love and it goes back to you. Kaya I know that this Cognizance, keep it in your heart, and definitely I know that this ain't just a training na dun ka lang matatransform, but this is a permanent transformation, and I know that ibang-ibang tao ka na in your heart, ibang-ibang tao ka na sa the way how you see things, how you perceive life, ibang-iba na. Kaya I'd like to congratulate you, apply it, and let your surroundings learn from your transformation by seeing you how to do it, by seeing you how to understand things, by seeing you how to love. Kaya kita-kits next Cognizance, and we'll tackle more about self-discovery in a deeper sense.